So it's going to be a Craftmade CXL 2 out of 2 in my new Roblox house. And white doesn't have the light. I need to put another light. I need to put a light fixture in there beside it sometime. This replaces him to be Winwood 2. But it's then not wood at all anymore. So I had a light, but I just need to buy a light fixture to put in here instead. This is my sister's room in my new house here. I'll turn on low for ya. So here's low speed. That noise is coming from that breeze in the master room. That's when it is. Very, 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 very annoying. I need to replace these pieces, all of them in my house, especially for the guest bedroom. The hard these orange pictures, hopefully. So, and plus I have to replace that piece for the guest room because it doesn't work anymore. It's really out of balance. If I turn it on, it will probably fall down. This is low. Yeah, again, it doesn't spin very fast, just like the one in my bedroom. You know, these are just kind of cheap builders thingies. Here's medium. You can see I got a new avatar look. Do you like it, guys? Comment down what do you think. That's pretty much medium speed. It still does. This one is a little bit faster than mine, actually. I don't know why it wouldn't make a difference, but you know. Where's the pull chain? Here goes high. Oh, by the way, this is my sister's little closet. I'm sure it's you why this thing gets speeding up. There's no close. Here it is all the way up to speed. You can see it goes a little bit faster than mine does. Here goes off. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.